Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to everyone, wherever you are in the world. I hope I have some foreign people watching this as well. Welcome to a new vlog. And if you've seen our IKEA home makeover second episode, you've already seen that I did a simple gallery wall with our personalized photos on it. And guess what? I found the video clip. I thought I failed recording the clip, but apparently it's in my hard drive. So that is what we will be watching together. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't been yet, turn on the bell so you get notified once a new video comes out, and you'll be the first to know. So let's proceed to creating a gallery wall on a concrete wall after this intro. So I'm putting a micro pour on the string, and I wrote a circle on the tape, and then place it here. Where's the tape? Last one. Again, tape and a dot. Hindi ako ng pagkakakawin. Enter the dragon, ha? Sige, thank you. Okay, bye. May pamilas tayo, courtesy of my daughter. Gallery wall. I will put on the screen a summary of what needs to be done to create a perfect gallery wall. Make sure that you have a cohesive color palette, but for our walk-in closet, we don't have that because it's not artwork. It's more of put together photos in 3 picture frames. Like on the first one that I hung was a memory of me when I was still working as a flight attendant. I made some sort of collage on that first part, and then on the next part is when I did a cross stitch of a Porsche because my hubby loves sports cars. And the third one are a collage of collected photos from my childhood memories and relationship photos. So that's that. Make sure to lay all the pieces on the floor first before drilling holes on the wall because it should be your final decision. So if you're not sure yet, make sure to place the frames on the floor and see how it looks before drilling. Actually, your picture frames should not be all the same because if the frames are different, it makes your home look more high-end rather than looking cheap, because if the frames are different, it looks like you have collected those pieces as time went on. Not necessarily different colors, but different designs. That is one way of making your home look a little elevated by putting different kinds of frames on your wall and not identical. Different collected picture frames on a wall looks more high-end than putting the same picture frames together on your wall. I've been watching a lot of interior designers on YouTube, so if you want some more tips, I highly suggest you follow here on YouTube as well, Nick Lewis, Julie Koo, and Kristen McGowan for more interior design tips. Or if you want to put together frames that are identical, you do you and print your photos black and white. That will look good on your wall too. Make sure not to mount your frames too close or too far away from each other. Here's a guide on how to properly align your picture frames on a gallery wall, because if you put those picture frames too far apart from each other, they would look scattered rather than put together. So I suggest you place them just a little far apart from each other. I think the most is 3 inches so that they will look organized on your wall. This is what I was saying a while ago, to lay all of the pieces on the floor first to see how it looks on the wall. Plan your measurements like this. Make sure that the distance from here to the bottom are the same, and then lay the masking tape facing upwards. Lay it like that, and then put some more tape on the screw area upside down as well, like this. There, and then draw a dot on each location, the exact location where the screw needs to be. The tape should be left here, here, and here, and then draw the dots on the exact screw location. That way you will be able to transfer this exact pattern on your wall.
The next morning.
Tadaan! You're welcome, Ziv. You're welcome, Hanji. Mukha ulit bago. Chilling ka lang dyan, Hanji. Hanji. So that's it, everyone. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you on my next vlog. I'm on my way out, so I hope everyone will also stay safe, and God bless. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. It's linked on the description box. Bye! Stay safe.